Protein should be obtained from sources rich in fat such as steak or oily fish. If you are unsure of how much protein you should eat, here's a good rule of thumb: eat 0.8 grams per pound of body weight per day. So, if you are a 200-pound individual, aim for at least 160 grams per day. Try intermittent fasting. The practice of fasting is ancient, but it has gained some modern traction. But remember, it isn't a one-size-fits-all practice. Fasting doesn't have to entail foregoing food for weeks at a time. There are a few different ways to fast, with one of the most popular being time-restricted eating. The definition of fasting is the controlled and voluntary abstinence from all calorie-containing food and drinks from a specified period of time. This differs from starvation, which is neither deliberate nor controlled. Here are some of the most common ways to fast. Time-restricted feeding. Eating during an 8-hour window, first meal at 12 p.m. and no more eating after 8 p.m. Eating during a 4-hour window, first meal at 4 p.m. and no more eating after 8 p.m. Intermittent fasting. Fasting for the whole day, or even several days on a weekly or monthly basis. Fasting may increase lifespan. Animals who experience long-term caloric restriction live longer, but it is not clear yet if that applies to humans. 9. It may also lead to less overeating, because knowing your window of eating may lead to more mindful consumption instead of snacking constantly. And fasting may make you more resistant to disease. When the body develops higher ketone levels to run on for fuel, you are less likely to develop certain diseases. 10. Supplements and exercise. To get into ketosis, fast supplements are emerging as a way to tap into faster ketosis. You have a couple options to choose from, with varying potency. Along with supplements, exercise is another tool you can use to speed of ketosis. Take MCT oil. Medium-chain triglyceride oil, better known to the masses as MCT oil, is incorporated into many ketogenic diets. MCT doesn't actually contain ketones, but instead, a fat easily converted into beta-hydroxybutyrate, or BHB, the main ketone body. After taking MCT, blood ketone levels rise slowly over several hours. Usually extracted from coconut oil, MCT has unique benefits when compared to longer chain-length fatty acids. Most dietary fat contains more than 12 carbons in the fatty acid chain, while MCTs are only 6 to 12 carbon chains in length. Shorter chain length allows for easier absorption and rapid conversion to ketones in the liver. Adding MCT oil to your coffee can boost ketone levels in your blood, usually between 0.5 mm–1 mm. Studies have shown that MCT oil can reliably reduce the time that it takes to reach nutritional ketosis. 11. HVMN recently launched MCT oil powder to support your keto lifestyle. It contains pure C8, the world's most ketogenic fat, and a base of acacia fiber, a gut-friendly prebiotic. Unlike many other MCTs, our product has no additives, no artificial ingredients, and zero net carbs. It can help improve energy and mental clarity, kicking your metabolism into fat-burning mode. Exogenous ketones. These are some of the best options for quick ketosis. As we mentioned, exogenous ketones are external ketone sources ingested via diet and can help you transition into a state of ketosis even without dieting or fasting. One of the most common options is using a ketone salt. But these only raise blood ketone levels marginally, approximately 1 mm, result in GI issues, and often require consumption of high amounts of sodium to reach desired ketone levels. HVMN ketone, the world's first ketone ester drink, enables you to enter a deep state of ketosis within minutes. It's used by professional athletes in the US military, and was even used to help break a world record. Some of the advantages of HVMN ketone include better mental performance. 12